Hey, digital multimedia. I wanted to kind of drop this video in your guys' laps before you really settle in and get started to work. I had a great time shooting that video with you guys yesterday, and I think this is going to be probably one of our best yet, and an awesome way to wrap up the 2019 school year for us. There's a couple things, though, that I want to run across for you just so that you know where you need to key in with everything that's happening today. Really quick reminder, I absolutely need one video footage from the group member who was responsible for taking the shot of the person wrapping the gift. I already have some of you guys who have turned that in yesterday. I'm looking for the 3 other groups. Please submit that in through Google Classroom. So all I need to do is just download it and add it to my shot. Now, I'm actually producing all the other stuff on the back end, but there are some things that I do require from you guys moving forward before this thing goes live on YouTube at the end of the day on Friday. First of all, utilize class time today to not only send me that video clip, but also work on a little quick, maybe 30-second to a minute clip of maybe doing some interview questions or some you guys called it harassing, of the person who was responsible for doing the wrapping. I don't really even mind if you guys yourselves do little testimonials for the people that were on the sidelines when we were doing the pie throwing and stuff like that. It's all stuff that we can use in the main video, but it's stuff that we weren't able really to capture when we were videotaping yesterday because we had a very strict shooting schedule that we wanted to abide by. The other thing that I want to talk to you guys about is a video description. We're going to need to have one video description, typed out video description that we can copy and paste into YouTube, and also a YouTube thumbnail that we can just simply upload so that it's eye-catching and people will want to click on it. Basically, clickbait, right? And the thumbnail is going to be really easy to edit because you can utilize Spark on all the iPads and through the desktop versions to create that. Mr. Varanisic paid for that subscription for us, and I'd really like to use that. It's not really that hard at all. Maybe take a still shot of some of your stuff. I know there's footage all over the place. Share between your groups and things like that. All I'm looking for from the rest of you guys for today is very simple. A 30-second to a minute clip with some interview questions or testimonials, just something to kind of talk about how the situation went down. And we can do this lighthearted and entertaining with some jokes, or it can be super serious. It doesn't really matter. And again, I'm also looking for a brief video description as well as a YouTube thumbnail. Now, you guys split yourselves up in groups and divided up those responsibilities, so those are going to be the people who I'm requiring to see that stuff from. Those are you guys that were the gift wrappers that got pied in the face. You're off the hook. You did everything and more than you needed to do. So the rest of the hours for you guys to work through that, and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm able to kind of put together later on in the afternoon when I return Friday, just to enjoy one last hurrah the 2019 school year. I think this is going to go over really, really well, and if not, then I had a blast shooting it with you, and I think you guys enjoyed it too. So I will see you guys when I return Friday with our end of the year video. Happy holidays. Make sure there's no pies coming my way. Bye.